Guys, we got the SVHT V15 Cordless vacuum. I wanted to show you my favorite way to use it. Dude, this thing's so lightweight. You got the battery pack right here. Very easy to charge. This one is more like, I'm saying like, is this worth it? Okay, let's just kind of exhibit, is this worth it? So first of all, it has hundreds of 4.7 to 5-star written reviews. Tons of people are loving it post-purchase. That's what I always look for when I'm buying. It's also currently selling over 1,000 a month on Amazon. That's crazy. So when you look at the number on the product page, that's an incredible value. Let me show you how easy this thing is to use. Power button, boom. Turbo button, boom. Those are your only two options. Very easy to use. It comes with 2 replaceable filters, actually 3. One is already pre-installed, and then you have 2 more there. You just have a couple of attachments. We got this one. We also have this one. And then you've got the longer one here. Now, is this worth it? You tell me. To me, just being able to do that real quick, going straight from carpet to hardwood, that's another thing I like. You don't have to worry about like hitting any buttons or anything. I mean, dude, this thing could be used all the way from your floor to your wall for like doing maybe like getting dust around here, to your car, or your cracks and crevices in your couch. Super easy to use. Highly recommend.